This remote was acting up. It would act like I pushed stop, stop when engaging the hold switch, so the player stopped and turned off. Let's open it up. There are just 2 screws on the back. Pry carefully from the bottom, near the cord. The little plastic buttons can fall out. That's okay. We want to clean behind there. Slide the button covers off, and note that one pair has a plus-minus for the volume. We're just using alcohol to clean the pads and contacts. Sometimes dust can get in there, interrupting the contacts. Let's test before reassembling. Now for the hold switch. It works. The player is still on and it displays hold properly. Let's put the buttons in and close it up. Remember, one pair has the plus-minus on there for volume. Snap the cover on, headphone jack first. Test one more time. It's all good. Let's screw it back together. They won't all be this simple, but I'm glad this one was. And there you have it, a quick fix to get a working remote. The hold switch works, and it's no longer turning off the player.